Hey, what's up guys? Rust Belt Mechanic here, back in the garage with SP Tools, here to show you the SP64052 8-piece AC disconnect and fuel line disconnect kit. Now this 8-piece kit is going to be very nice and very comprehensive to pretty much any kind of spring interlock, fuel or cooler line connection fittings that you guys are going to need to take apart. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, as you can see, it comes in this very nice blow molded kit with a handle and 2 interlocking connectors. We open it up and you can see that we have our full 8-piece interconnecting set, ranging in size from 5/16 of an inch all the way up to 7/8 of an inch. Now this is going to have a couple of different fittings. These are the standard ones from 5/8, 3/8, going up here all the way up to 7/8. So those are going to be your standard fittings. And then we do have a couple of cooler line fittings that you can see do have a little bit different ends on them. Now let's go and see some of these actually in use over on a car. All right, we've got our Jeep Liberty right here with a pretty simple access to the fuel line connector, and this is our standard spring connection port for our fuel line. And we can see we're just going to be able to spread apart our little fitting clamps, get them into the fuel line. Now the trick to these fuel lines is to be able to push them in just a little bit at first, and then we're going to pull up, retracting the spring within the tool, and then pull back, releasing our fuel line. Pretty easy work right there for this tool. Now where can you pick these things up? You're going to cruise on over to www.sptoolsusa.com, look up SP64052. You guys are going to be able to pick this one up for right at 80 bones. So make sure you pick one of these up. It's definitely going to be worth the price to have in your arsenal. Thanks for tuning in today. It's been Rust Belt Mechanic. We'll grab a tool and get wrenching.